I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby. Saw a thunderstorm forming, coming in from the north over I-84 right now. I'm over on Overland, just around the Cloverdale area. This is looking south. You can see that there's some clearing, some breaks there, but the dark clouds kind of moving on through, and that will continue to move on through. I'm going to drive a little bit further to the west and see if we can get into the hail shaft of this storm. All right, we have moved up a little west around Eagle Road and looking out towards just to the south and east, up to the north rather, north and east. You can see it's a cloud of white, of rain, heavy shield of rain coming on down. There's St. Luke's, and as you come up over Eagle Road, you can see things getting a little bit brighter there as we're on the west edge of the heaviest rain bands coming right at us actually, and so some heavy downpours will continue over much of the region with this. All right, we are seeing the sun starting to kind of peek out to the west, and then back out here we can see that it's still cloudy and the rain moving on through. So we'll see if a rainbow starts to form here very shortly in the tail end of this storm. You can see there's some scud kind of hanging behind me. That's that gray low cloud there, and the white hanging behind the storm. That's often mistaken for a tornado or something like that, but it's not. It's just what we call scud, just some of the precipitation falling into the cool rain mass and forming some stratus clouds. And then you can see the brightness starting to take place. We'll look into the north. You can see back up here to the northwest now, and then out towards the west we're starting to see that sun peek on through. Will it be enough sunshine? Will the angle be enough to get a rainbow going? And there's one right there. There's the rainbow starting to form. Should be a pretty good one if we can get a little bit more rainfall going, sunshine going rather, into the rain. It's just a little piece right through there. Let's see if we can do a little zooming action. You can see right there a little better with the colors. Now that it's getting a little brighter back to the west. Not a full arc yet. It looks like it's starting to dissipate because the sun's going in and out behind us. Looks like there's still some good cloud cover back here. So that was the brief rainbow mention, because that sun's going to disappear. But yep, we did see a rainbow. It's starting to fade. I'm starting to get wet again as the showers move back in. Some of the rainfall amounts with this is, looking at the Doppler radar estimates, about a ½ inch per hour in some areas. So a real good dousing of rain on top of areas that have already seen the rain. And